A heads up before installing it. I need to use the extenders, the wires, because my Renault Clio 3 has really short ones, and I would not be able to install the plugs straight down here. With these extenders, Hikari thought of it very good, and the installation process should be really easy. Before you insert the LED into the socket, into the fitting, just make a test and see if it will light up. Right now I've installed the low beams, just connected them, and now on with the high beams. Take the LED and, depending the orientation, insert the extenders. On the low beams, this is at 12 o'clock, and the power connectors at 6 o'clock. They go straight in. So just don't be scared to push them with force. They're very well tight and secured. So this is how they look. And here you'll plug this end in the power connector of the car. It's really hard to record. You can see the space is really narrow, but I'll try my best. Basically, these two ends, the red and blue, need to go inside there, in the power plug of the car's electric system. So I'll connect the blue to blue and the red to the other end. Like this. And that is done. Okay, so I'll leave them out to show you how they look. So this one is for the high beams, and that for the low beams on the passenger side. Here I've installed the low beams one, and I need to put the high beams from the driver's side more. Okay, so all the beams are installed. You see here, and these ones. Ideally, guys, try to put, depending on how you need to install them, the LED must be with the diodes to 9 and 3 o'clock and straight up. Here the tooth, it's okay, it can be exactly like it needs to be on your car. You can rotate it 360 degrees without any issues. But ideally is to have the power connectors facing down, 6 o'clock. This one is for the high beams. Again, you see the connectors, 6 o'clock, but the tooth is different on the high beams. This is how I need to install it. But again, the LED will face 9 and 3 o'clock and straight up like this. Let me show you how you can easily rotate them. So you take this one for instance. Let's take this one because it's closer. I can rotate it, you see, in any direction. It's really easy, just be careful to try to not cut yourself in the edges. But yeah, you can see it's really easy to do. So I'll put it back where it needs to be on the high beams. And even after you will insert it into the fitting, you will be able to adjust it. And now let's make a test and see if they all 4 turn on. So these are the parking lights. Both work. There it is. And now on with the low beams first. And they are so powerful. So both turn on, the left and the right one. And now with the high beams also. Let's see. So this one is on and that one is on. Let's see. So here we have both on, perfect, and here again both on, awesome. Man, they are powerful and really very whisper quiet. Now I need to insert them in the reflector housing, and we'll see exactly how they sound, what the noise level is.